guys, welcome. My name is Maritza for those of you that are new to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing an in-person giveaway and I'm giving away makeup to strangers. The reason why I've decided to give away makeup to strangers is because I just think that it's such an amazing opportunity to give back during the holidays. Take the opportunity and instead of doing one big giveaway on social media, I just wanted to, have, if not like the same budget, and have more than one winner. So I actually took the time throughout this week to buy makeup at Ulta. Out of all of the brands at Ulta, I have decided that I was going to invest a lot of my money and buy Morphe products because I feel like Morphe is such a great brand that is affordable for consumers, and honestly, like you'll get your money's worth by buying Morphe. I am just choosing 10 random strangers on the street and giving back to them. So I'm hoping that we can share this positivity, and I hope that you find this video to be inspiring and motivating and give back to others, regardless if it's makeup, food, clothes, hygiene products, money. Please find some kind of way to give back during the holidays. You never know what people are going through. I specifically chose makeup because that's my passion and I want to share that with people and give them the opportunity to play around with products that I personally love. So you will be seeing me giving back to others, and yeah, that is the purpose of this video. A little side note, and this is actually something that Brandon might also know. Brandon's actually in the car with me right now, but I actually was very touched to do this because when I was in elementary school, middle school, and high school, my parents couldn't really afford to give us really expensive gifts, and my mom was a house cleaner and my dad was a construction worker. They couldn't really afford buying us expensive gifts, and we really just made it work with whatever we had. And even if it was just one small gift that my sister and I can share, we were really humbled to even receive that and just find joy out of that simple small product that we received from our parents. Just looking back at all of our accomplishments, my parents did a lot for me and my sister growing up. We went to a private high school, and at some point they couldn't afford anymore. Finished up going to a public high school, but we played competitive soccer. My family was very low income, and my parents literally made the most out of our childhood and got us through everything. And my sister and I went to college and we graduated college, and now we have really good jobs. And so I just look back at all my accomplishments over the last years, and just to look back that a couple years ago my parents couldn't afford this, and so I want to take the opportunity, and now that I have a good job and make some good money, I want to be able to provide that to others during the holidays. So just want to share that with you guys, and I hope that you guys find this inspiring. And any little simple product doesn't have to be anything expensive, but just I hope that you are able to get back during the holidays. Brandon is going to be recording the not the behind the scenes. Brandon is going to be recording me. Brandon's going to be the camera guy, and I'm just going to be doing me. And honestly guys, like I'm actually kind of nervous to be doing this because these are people that I don't even know, and you don't know what the reaction is going to be like. I mean, if I were to receive a free product regardless, I would be so happy and so humbled to even receive it. But again, like as I mentioned, like I hope that they find... It's a little weird when you walk up to someone with a camera. It is a little weird, and if they're not comfortable, then of course I'm not going to be recording them. I'm actually kind of nervous to like just continue this. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's a challenge, guys. It's definitely a challenge because it's out of my comfort zone. I've never done this before. I'm not a shy person whatsoever, but it's definitely like out of the norm to just go up to people and just give them a free gift. And so I hope that they don't think that I'm trying to sell them something, because I'm really not. So yeah, so I have my little baggies. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys what I have right here. This is one of the gifts that I got, and inside I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, and Jaclyn Hill is definitely one of top favorite YouTubers, and I love Morphe, and I just figured that might as well share something that I love with others. So let's go ahead and do the giveaway. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
So I want to give this gift to the girl with the red jacket, but
can't see her.
She's like walking too fast, and I'm like, what do I do? In this gift, I have a Morphe blush palette and 2 Morphe brushes, like eyeshadow brushes. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cross the street because I'm gonna grab breakfast over there, and anyone that I see that comes up in that area, I'm just gonna give it to them. Excuse me. Your beanie.
Thank you.
I'm like obsessed with beanies. So this is a gift from you.
Thank you.
To me.
Oh my god. Thank you. Happy holidays.
I hope you like it. It's
Thank you. I was on my way to work, so that made it
really?
even better.
It's a Morphe blush palette and then also 2 eyeshadow brushes.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I hope this makes your day.
Thank you so much. You did.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
No problem.
Have a good one.
You too.
Yeah.
Whew, that feels so good. I'm fucking freezing. Is this on? Is the mic on?
Yeah, mic's on.
Hold on, let me see.
You never believe me.
I don't. Alright guys, so I want to show you guys my little...
Step back.
Oh, sorry. I just want to show you the bag. What's inside the bag? So you guys actually can see what I have in here. I bought these bags at Walmart, and then I also added like a little like message. Let's move forward.
Gonna go to them?
Sure.
Alright, come on. Do.
I hope that you're okay with me recording, but I'm actually doing a giveaway.
Okay.
And you don't have to do anything. But I want to give this gift to you.
Oh.
It's makeup.
Oh.
And I hope that you've heard of Morphe.
I have, yeah.
That is one of their palettes.
Oh. What's this for?
It's just for the holidays. I want to give back.
That's so sweet.
I usually do it for the holidays every year, and I'm like, I'd rather just do it. You can give them these little small to people on the street.
Well, thanks.
Than doing like a big giveaway. So hopefully you enjoy it.
I will. Thank you so
Cool.
much. Yeah, I just work down the salon. Right.
Oh, you work
Like-
at that pink salon?
No, this one on the left. It's the hair shop on Main.
I'll most likely just pop in there and give
Yeah.
another one away.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank
All right,
you.
You're welcome.
Happy holidays.
You're welcome. Bye.
Okay. There Maritza goes into the wild.
That'd be awesome.
So I'm actually a YouTuber.
Uh-huh.
My name is Maritza, by the way.
Oh.
What's your name?
Isabel.
Isabel.
Yeah.
Cool. So I want to know if you would be interested in either the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette or the ColourPop gloss set.
Oh my gosh. The palette for sure.
For sure.
Yeah.
That would be my first option.
Thank you so
Cool.
much.
This one is Ring the Alarm, so it's like the neutral shade.
Okay, perfect.
Cool. I hope that you enjoy it.
Thank you so
Yeah, happy
much.
holidays.
Yes, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Alright. Go ahead, Mrs. Claus.
Sorry, my name is Maritza.
I'm Katie.
Katie, nice to meet you.
I'm Sam.
Sam, nice to meet you. So these are my last 2 gifts that I have to give away. One's a ColourPop gloss, and the other one is a Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I want to give these to you guys, and I hope that you guys have a great holiday and spread positivity, and I hope that this inspires you guys to also give back. So I'll give these to you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Exchange them, or give them, re-gift them, give them to someone else that might be in need. Just ready to do that.
How do I follow you? Is that your name?
Yeah, that's my Instagram.
Okay, Instagram.
Cool.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. All
As
right,
long as
cool.
not like Snapchat, because I don't use that stuff.
No worries.
Yeah.
I'm mainly more on Instagram, but I also have a YouTube channel, but you're
Okay.
able to see that through my
Okay,
Instagram.
cool. That's cool. Thank
Yeah,
you. I really
you're welcome.
appreciate it.
Happy
Can I give you a
holidays.
hug?
Yeah, you're welcome.
That like totally made my day.
That's it. Honestly, like, that's exactly what I wanted to do. I'm like, I didn't want to do a big giveaway on social media. I just want to do one that looks really so much.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so
I
much.
appreciate that.
Alright guys, we just finished our giveaway extravaganza, and honestly, people were just so happy that I gave them something that they weren't even expecting. So really just warmed up my heart, especially these last two girls. They're really happy. She said I made her day. So that's all guys, like that's exactly like why I wanted to do this, and give back to people that weren't even expecting this. So that is it for today's video, and again, as I mentioned, I hope you guys find this video to be very inspiring and motivating, and that you guys give back to others that might be in need. Yeah,
Make someone's day.
or make someone's day. Yeah, so yeah guys, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys were able to give back to others. I want to see that from, if you guys share that experience down the, I'm like running out of breath here. If you guys share that experience down, make sure that you leave it down in the comment section down below. Definitely want to hear what you guys gave away, and I'll be for sure commenting back and liking your comments. So peace guys.